In a world where the clouds painted the sky with hues of silver and gold, a tiny dove named Dotty lived. Dotty was unlike any dove, for she possessed a spark of curiosity that was unmatched among her feathered friends. One day, Dotty decided to explore the world beyond her nest. With a flutter of wings, she soared high into the sky, leaving her family behind. As she flew, she marveled at the beauty of the landscape below, the lush green forests, the shimmering rivers, and the towering mountains. However, as the day wore on, Dotty grew weary. The sun was setting, and she found herself lost in a dense forest, unable to find her way home. She felt a chill in the air and realized she had ventured too far. Frightened and cold, Dotty didn't know what to do. She called out to the forest creatures for help, but none seemed to understand her plight. In her fear, she began to question her decision to leave her nest. Just then, a wise old owl named Orion appeared. "Do not fear, little one," he said. "I have been watching you, and I see the lesson you are meant to learn." "What lesson?" asked Dotty, her voice shaking. "The lesson of wisdom and caution," replied Orion. "You have wings to fly, but you must also know when to rest. Your curiosity is a gift, but it must be tempered with prudence. You are not meant to venture alone and unguided." Dotty listened to the wise words of Orion, and as he spoke, the forest began to clear, leading her back to the familiar sights of her home. She returned to her nest, feeling wiser and more grateful than ever before. From that day on, Dotty used her curiosity to learn and explore, but she also learned the importance of wisdom and caution. She never again ventured out alone, always making sure to seek guidance and wisdom from those who had more knowledge and experience. The moral of the story is that while curiosity is a valuable asset, it should be balanced with wisdom and caution. Sometimes, the most important lessons come from the most difficult experiences, and we must always remember that we are not alone in our journey and can seek guidance from those who have walked the path before us.